Before I drill down in the British pound, I want to do a quick recap of what's going on. It was only 6 days ago that the Bank of England cut interest rates by 25 basis points. The vote to cut it was narrower than expected, a split vote. And following that, the whole tone in the pound changed. Not only did it firm versus the dollar, it also firmed on various crosses, the euro, Swiss franc, the yen, etc. It made it more sensitive to positive news than it would be to negative news. So now we stand above 135. We'll do a drill down on the weekly chart. It's quite obvious here we had a double bottom, 130, 137. And here is your key resistance here, 135.86, but there's nothing left until 137.86. So this is your weekly chart. And you can see where the key level is. But only if you take out this level here, would you trigger fresh stops, breakout level, and higher targets. We drill down to the daily chart. Right here is that 135.86 level that you saw on the weekly chart. It's more significant than these two resistance lines here, which all block that 137.88 high on top. So when we see key levels on multiple time frames, in this case the weekly and the daily, they become the key level. So 135.86 is your key level today. Now we go to a 4-hour chart. You got around 134, say figure to 15 or so, is your key level down here. So you're way away from it. Got a trend line. Broke here around 135.62, but here's your key level again. Here it's 135.88, 135.86. I'm not sure why they show different levels, but on 3 time frames now, we have 135.86 to 88, let's say, is the key level. So you know this is your key level on top, either resistance or they're going to be stops. But this is the one that really blocks exposing that major high just below 138. So how do you trade it today? Well, the longer term charts are not giving you any levels to trade, and there's very little chance of a reversal. So what you have to do is revert down to shorter term time frames, look for formations, and as long as you stay above 135, pound should be a buy on dips. If it stays above 135.50, it'll be a stronger bid, but in any case, if we do correct, or if this level holds, it should keep a bid as long as it stays above 135.